When it comes to boosting the value of your home in Dallas, there are many home improvement projects to consider. However, one often overlooked area that can have a significant impact is door replacement. While doors might seem like a minor detail, they play an essential role in your home's aesthetic, functionality, and overall appeal. Replacing outdated or worn-out doors can enhance the look of your property, improve security, and increase its value. Whether you're looking to sell or simply upgrade your home, here's how door replacement can help boost property value in Dallas. Curb appeal and first impression. In Dallas, where curb appeal is crucial for making a positive first impression, your front door is the focal point of your home's exterior. An old or unattractive door can make your home seem tired, while a new, stylish entry door can instantly elevate its curb appeal. Potential buyers or guests will form an opinion about your home the moment they arrive, and a beautiful front door can set the tone for what's inside. Modern doors come in a variety of styles, materials, and colors, allowing you to choose one that complements your home's architecture and design. Whether you go for a classic wooden door, a sleek steel option, or a trendy fiberglass door, a fresh, eye-catching entry can make your property stand out from others in the neighborhood. Energy efficiency and cost saving. In Dallas, where summers are hot and energy costs can soar, energy efficiency is a top concern for homeowners. If your current doors are old, drafty, or poorly insulated, they may be letting cool air escape, causing your air conditioning system to work overtime. This inefficiency can increase your utility bills, making your home less comfortable and more expensive to maintain. Replacing old doors with energy-efficient models can significantly reduce air leakage and improve insulation, helping to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Energy-efficient doors are designed with advanced features such as multi-pane glass, weather stripping, and insulated cores, all of which help to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This not only makes your home more comfortable but also saves you money on heating and cooling costs over time. Enhanced security. Security is another critical factor for any home, and doors are your first line of defense. Older doors may have weakened frames, outdated locks, or other vulnerabilities that compromise your home's security. By replacing your front or exterior doors with newer, more secure options, you can enhance your home's safety. Today's doors are equipped with advanced security features, such as reinforced steel cores, multi-point locking systems, and shatterproof glass. These upgrades make it more difficult for intruders to gain access, providing peace of mind for homeowners. In a city like Dallas, where safety is a top priority, investing in secure doors can be a wise decision that boosts your home's value and appeal to potential buyers. Modern design and customization. Replacing doors gives you the opportunity to update the overall design of your home. With so many door styles and materials to choose from, you can find an option that aligns with your vision, whether you prefer a modern, contemporary look or something more traditional. Customizing your doors with unique finishes, hardware, and decorative glass inserts can further personalize your home, making it feel one of a kind. Additionally, replacing interior doors can also add value. If you have outdated or hollow core doors inside your home, upgrading to solid wood or designer doors can enhance the aesthetic appeal and make your home feel more luxurious. Buyers are often drawn to homes with high-quality finishes, and new, stylish doors are an easy way to create a more refined and polished look. Return on investment. Homeowners in Dallas can expect a solid return on investment, ROI, when they replace their doors. According to real estate experts, front door replacements can yield some of the highest returns in terms of property value increases. A beautiful, high-quality front door can increase your home's appeal to potential buyers, and it often results in a higher asking price when you sell. In fact, a recent study showed that homeowners could recoup around 65–75% of the cost of a front door replacement when they sell their home. Conclusion. In Dallas, where the real estate market is competitive and homebuyers are looking for properties that stand out, door replacement is an investment worth considering. Not only does it enhance curb appeal and create a lasting first impression, but it also improves energy efficiency, security, and interior design. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable, stylish home, replacing your doors is an easy way to boost property value and make your Dallas home more appealing.